I was a big sprint car midget fan as a kid. You know, I kind of grew up around the local sprint car midget shops, and that's all I wanted to drive. Last time here, we didn't run very good at all. I didn't run, you know, so it was a kind of different atmosphere for me working on the car, and it was frustrating seeing that car you built and put a lot of time into have issues, and we learned a lot from it and kind of learned some things that I feel like have helped our program for this year. Everybody knows the Chili Bowl. It obviously draws a great crowd. There's a lot of really great race car drivers here, a lot of really good guys. It's a lot of fun. It's a party atmosphere. But there's 350 cars stuffed in a building, and we race all week.
What's up? You going tonight? Yeah. Operation Don't Suck. Thanks, dude.
I really enjoy kind of getting back to a basic race car that I can maintain myself and take care of myself. It's something I don't get to do on the stock car stuff. You know, they have a specialist for literally every part on that car, and it takes a computer to set it up.
I might hot lap this.
That one?
If you want to cut it.
Yeah, I can cut it. My name's CJ Leary, and I'm driving the number 55 Valvoline midget for Alex Bowman Racing. We've been running the Chili Bowl for 6 or 7 years now, and getting to do it twice with Alex is really cool. We both really want to win, so it's really what it boils down to in racing is winning. And we tested a couple weeks back at Millbridge, and you could just tell he was nervous. He just wants to do really well.
The Chili Bowl is, in my opinion, one of the hardest races to make in the country, just to make the feature on Saturday, if not the world. I mean, it's so hard. Your whole week has to go really well. You see a lot of good guys will have an issue in their heat or issue in their qualifier, or in the feature on their prelim night and get buried in alphabet soup. So, you know, it's tough.
I'm excited. I think he's going to do well today.
I think he's going to be just fine.
I don't really have any rituals. I've had to somewhat teach myself how to get everything else out of your head. I mean, when you do it for a living every weekend, you kind of becomes natural that when you strap in and put the helmet on, everything else goes away. Sometimes I get nervous, sometimes I'm really confident, other times I'm worried about the race car. You can do everything right and something can go wrong, and you can tear a car up and hurt yourself. Try to do everything we can to prevent it, and got a good seat in the car, and it's just locked in and trying to go to work.
Out of North Carolina, Alex Bowman.
Oh, that was good. Track's gonna change a bunch throughout the night, so hopefully we stay on top of it and I don't mess up.
It's really a visual thing and a feel thing in a midget, being able to read the dirt and look at the racetrack and know where you need to run. You know, you can find a patch of grip and start ripping pretty good and catch a guy in front of you, but if he finds it too, you gotta find somewhere else to drive around.
No, it looked good. I think he should have won that. I still think it's a little tight just because when it would pull the nose, his steering wheel would go dead left. The entry looks good though, because he really was selling it in there.
I just love these race cars. I think they are some of the coolest race cars in the world. Anything that I can work on myself, I love, and I'm really proud of the 2 cars that we have here, and I feel like I'm still learning a lot, but I'm having a blast doing it.
Hey, you didn't go backwards.
No.
Oh, good job.
That was fun. I think it was really good. Like the car was better than me. If I hit the bottom right, it hauled ass.
No, we were high-fiving in the stands.
That's what that needed to happen.
No, we were pumped. Both of us. That's the best both of us have ever run here.
No, it was good.
It's the best this thing's ever finished here on a prelim night.
My whole goal for this week was just to make the prelim night feature. So we did that. If we make the B feature on Saturday, that'd be really cool. And you know, this is a tough place, and I don't have a lot of time in them. So hopefully we can make it happen. Coming to the Chili Bowl, I just do it for fun. It is just a blast. This race is so much fun. The whole week is fun. The atmosphere is amazing. It's been really cool to work with Valvoline. You know, they're such a DIY brand. So for CJ and I, both working on our own race car, it's cool to have a brand that kind of has that same mentality of getting your hands dirty. I think coming back and running dirt and kind of diversifying yourself as a race car driver is only going to help on Sundays and help at the stock car thing. So I'm enjoying it, and I feel like I'm learning a lot, and hopefully it helps me a little bit this year.